Hello guys, welcome to Digital Desktop. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get this awesome desktop on your computer as well. This is pretty much easy to make, and at the end of this video, if you find it helpful, ensure you like it, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. I'll try and do this in less than 10 minutes, probably less than 7 minutes. So we need two applications for this. So all you have to do is open your Google Chrome and then type in rainmeter.net in the address bar and then hit enter, where it's going to bring you to this website right here. So mind you, when you come to this section of the website, you click on mirror, because most of the times when you click on download, there is some issues with it delaying the download. So you click on mirror right here. So after clicking on mirror, we wait a bit, it's going to download our application right here. And as you can see, the app is just 2.4 MB. So as it's downloading, you open visualskins.com in another tab as well, which is where we will get skin to use for our Rainmeter. Rainmeter is the primary application that powers all these widgets you see right here, or gadgets if I may say. So it's still downloading. So after downloading Rainmeter, what you do next is, this is Rainmeter right here. So you double click on Rainmeter and then click on standard installation, where it's going to install Rainmeter. And if there are any missing files that it would like you to download, you click on download to download and install them. So after installing Rainmeter, this is what Rainmeter is like. Manage. So you open Rainmeter like this. Firstly, you're going to have this Illustro right here. So this Google is coming from this Illustro. So you open this tab right here, Illustro, and head over to Google and then double click on it where it's going to toggle it on, or you double click on it if you have it already for it to turn off. So, and you can choose for it to be draggable or not. Since it's no longer draggable, even when I click, I won't drag it, but if I say draggable, I can drag it around and position it as I so wish. So you go back after downloading our Rainmeter, we close this Rainmeter tab right here, and then we come back to our visual skins. So what we are going to be downloading is MOND and Illustro, I think. No, sorry, MOND and Enigma. So you come here, you click on MOND. As you can see, it's already here. But then when you don't see it at the home page, you can come here and then type in MOND. MOND, then enter. So it's going to search for MOND and take us there. But in the meantime, I'll just click on this MOND right here. So it will load the page for me to download the widget for MOND. Okay, as you can see, this is the MOND. And all that you have to do right here also is to download. And as you can see, the MOND skin is just 1.9 MB. So you click on it to download. I already have it. As you can see, this is the MOND right here. All that you have to do is just double click on them to open, or just right click and then click on open. It's going to be automatically added to your Rainmeter list of skins as this. So you're going to see MOND right here. So let me minimize this. So for the MOND, I'm using this clock right here from MOND. So you open this and then you head over to clock and then double click on the clock to toggle it on. So after double clicking on the clock, you see clock right here. And I think the clock is pretty much the only thing I'm using for MOND. So to check, you right click to see. Okay, I'm using the recycler as well. So MOND, then recycler, double click on the recycler as well to have this recycle bin icon right here telling you how many files are in your recycle bin and what is their combined size. So for MOND, it's just the recycle bin, and this Wednesday, we've already finished with this Google search bar right here from Illustro. So the next one, we're going to install Enigma, which is for this. Enigma is for all of this that you see right here. So we come back right here. So in our MOND page, usually you find Enigma beneath it, sorry. But if you don't, you can as well just come here to the search and then type in Enigma and select Enigma for it to open. But since it's here, it's already recommended. So I click on Enigma and wait for it to load. So as you can see, this is the Enigma theme right here. Its page is this, as you can see. So you hit on download to download the Enigma skin as well. It's just 2.2 MB. These things are not heavy. So this is the Enigma. You double click to install Enigma, or you right click and then click on open. So it gets added to the Rainmeter list of skins automatically right here. Enigma. So on the Enigma, you expand the sidebar, and then here you select calendar. As you can see, I'm using this calendar for this calendar right here. So as you can see, the calendar is there. For the clock, I'm not using any clock, but I'm using music for music, which is this right here. Sorry, I'm not using music for it. I'm using music for the MOND. I'm using music from MOND. I'm not using music from Enigma. The system ini, which is this. For the graph system graph, which is this what I'm using. And then there is from the sidebar, from the taskbar, from the taskbar on the system as well, where you see for power, drive, uptime, and network is here, which is what I'm using, network any, which is this. Just double click on them, you get them here. When you double click on this sidebar right here, system, you double click, you get this. For processes, double click this, you get this. So you position them as you so wish, and to edit their colors as mine, all you have to do is just head over to any widget and then right click on it. Then you come to Enigma options and then options.ini. So as you can see, this is the settings or the control panel for this, for all of these widgets under Enigma. So this is like their control panel. So you play with the colors. These are the colors that I'm using. As you can see, red signifying this red for the calendar right here. And the images, if you want them to be white, you just click here and then these icons will be toggled to white. So you just play along with the settings to see what it does. There's no much time for me to cover all this. And for the MOND as well, you right click on the MOND, then you come to MOND, then settings.ini. So in settings.ini here, you select the media you'd like to use for the player. So as you can see, I've selected iTunes. So whenever I hit on play right here, it's playing this music from my iTunes, which is this, as you can see. You see it's playing along Walker Faded, as you can see. So if I'm to post this music, if say for instance I'm to post this, as you can see it's post here too. To play, it's playing, so it's sync to my iTunes. So and you pretty much do that from here, right here. So you just double click on the player you'd want it to be synced to. So this is pretty much how you get all this on your display as well. So I love you guys so much. If you find this video tutorial helpful, ensure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't. If you want a tutorial on this taskbar right here, comment. Even if you don't, it's coming up probably next week on how to make your taskbar float as this, which is really nice. It's more of a Windows 12 taskbar, but then it's so easy to make. So I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.